Okay, hey guys, Justin R for Results French here with today's Sales and Marketing Mastery Minute, aka the Revenue Ronin. If you're looking for more revenue for your business, you're in the right place through Sales and Marketing Mastery. I'm joined by fellow Ronin Jose here with 40 Vegas 44 marketing, and I'm just going to show him quickly a demo of the AI ads tool, right? This is an AI platform that enables you to run ads yourself. So you can see here the interface. Basically, I've established this is going to be a Facebook ad, right? It's going to be a Facebook ad. I've put in my goal, which is I want to increase brand awareness for the brand. It automatically generated the type of business. Vegas 44 is a marketing full service agency dedicated to helping businesses thrive in Las Vegas market, right? It pulled the logos here. And once I hit generate, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna do it again so you see that this happens real time. What happens. So you can see here it's creating the ad creative, it's reading the website, it's understanding his business, it's generating the targeting, right, which is absolutely critical. It's writing the ad copy, and then it's going to finalize the creatives. So we're going to let this run here for a second, and you'll see. And you have to connect it up to your Facebook Business Manager, obviously. But once you've put the tracking in place, you connect it to Facebook Business Manager. This is the interface that you run the ads. So you can see here, it's doing all its thing here. And so the whole thing is it decreases the learning curve for people to be able to run their own ads, right? And it increases the effectiveness because it's using AI to help automatically optimize the ads based on the objective. So you can see here, it created this video with sound. This is AI did this, right, guys? Like AI helped create this campaign. Even this one here, so features one of his products, right? His full screen displays, right? Ready for results, right? And then as a bonus here, I set up something for him. So let me show you this. So check this out. So this, let's say you have, you want an influencer, but you don't want to pay them, right? Well, the AI actually generates the influencer, the user generated content. Watch.
Last year, my business struggled to stand out in Las Vegas. Partnering with Vegas 44 Marketing changed everything. Their expert digital strategies brought my brand real attention and new customers. Every campaign reflected my vision and generated results I could see. If you're ready to take your business further, Vegas 44 is the team you need. Reach out today and discover how real growth starts with the right partner.
So yeah, Jose, what do you think, man?
That's pretty awesome that it did all of that, man. I mean, I like the way that it added the person, the voice. It added the whole ad for me. Can we add prices to that and like an action button?
Oh, of course. Yeah. So let me scroll down here. So
Oh,
it
I see the
automatically
card.
generated the primary texts, right? And the headlines, which we can modify, right? We can definitely modify. We can even say, oh, I want it shorter, I want it longer, I want to change the tone to more conversational, professional, persuasive, right? We can definitely do that. And then we can change the call to action button. So, hey, I want them to do learn more or shop now or contact us. You can even put, phone number. And then targeting, I didn't show you guys this. So this is where we can put, hey, I want the business owners in the area, right? In and around the location of Las Vegas. So we can go in there and put the specific address and surround his local business as well. And then, age if we want it, and then the website, right, where we want them to drive them to. So, and then also budget, right? So I like to start with $5 a day, because look, you don't want to blow your whole budget right off the bat when you're not getting the result you're looking for. So, but yes, we can do all that. So, we'll last before I stop the recording here, Jose, any last thoughts here?
I think it's pretty awesome. Can I integrate it to multiple social media accounts? So like if I say, because I know you did Facebook, but can we run the same ad, say Facebook? Okay, so I see there. So we got them all.
Yeah. Yeah. So you can do TikTok, YouTube, Performance Max, Google, Meta calls, Facebook calls, Google search, Spotify. Yeah, all the above. Yep.
Is there a way that I could say, okay, I want to do, say, let's say $25 a month spread out through all of them? Or do I have to go in individually and set up throughout each ad?
Yeah, so you'd have to do one campaign for each platform, like, $10 here, $10 here, $5 here.
No,
Yeah.
that actually makes it a little better because I'm not too familiar with a lot. I mean, like I guess Bing, Spotify. I mean, I guess these are. I just don't advertise in those yet. So
Yeah.
yeah, to get in those to get into those would be kind of nice. Okay,
Yeah. And even like I said, starting off for as little as $5 a day.
$5 a month. Yeah. Is there a fee to use Play, or is this something you provide, or is this something I
Yeah,
do?
so there's a fee to sign up on Play, which Ronins actually get a discount, 5% off as being a Ronin because they do sponsor the spaces. And so I work that deal out with them. And then I'm working on putting together a cohort of people to actually train them how to run their own ads. So yeah.
Okay, perfect.
All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and stop this recording. Thanks so much, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the paid ads mastery cohort that I'm putting together, just comment below Ronin, and I'll send you more information, or click the link below to sign up for the program. All right, this is Justin R. Results French. Thanks again, Jose, for taking a minute, and we'll see you guys on the next video. All right, much love.